the National Coronavirus Command Council has decided to enforce a nationwide lockdown. Without decisive action, the number of people infected will rapidly increase from a few hundred to tens of thousands, and within a few weeks to hundreds of thousands.
I can't afford to miss the work just because I need work to feed my family.
While this measure will have a considerable impact on people's livelihoods, on the life of our society and on our economy, the human cost of delaying this action would be far, far greater.